Hello there, welcome to our channel Login again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Kohl's credit card account online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Kohl's credit card account online from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and after that click on the search bar and type in Kohls.com like this, and it enter, or you can simply search for Kohl's credit card login and hit enter, and you can see there is the credit.kohls.com on the first result of Google. Click over there, whereas on the first tab we are on the home page of Kohl's. You can see the Kohl's card option available over here on the top right corner of the screen on the home page of Kohl's. Click over there, and you can see the account button available at the top right corner of the screen. Click on account, and you can see the my Kohl's card. Click over there, scroll down a little bit, and you can see sign into your Kohl's card account. Click over there, and let's click on OK. And you can see, guys, both of these websites are same to log into your Kohl's credit card, and you'll be required to enter your username and your password over here. And after that, click on login, then you'll be able to log into your Kohl's credit card account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on forgot username or forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And guys, this is how you log into your Kohl's credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.